Well, today we have a very special friend here with us. Stephanie is here to show us an easy way to look younger, healthier, and feel more confident. If your teeth are yellowing due to coffee, tea, red wine, or smoking, you do need to pay attention. She says a whiter smile can actually make you more attractive and take years off your appearance. If you want whiter teeth in 5 minutes, well, guess what? This can help. Welcome, Stephanie. Thanks so much for being here with us.
Great to see you. Thanks for having me.
Absolutely. So what is this that can make us look younger with whiter, brighter smile?
Right? Sounds pretty good. Something we all want. It's no secret the first thing people notice when they see you is your smile. And Power Swabs really is considered the most advanced teeth whitening system out there. This is a powerful teeth whitening product that works in a matter of 5 minutes. You're going to see an average of 2 shades whiter teeth just after the first 5-minute application, and an average of 6 shades over the course of the 7-day kit. So it's super easy to use. Anyone can use it right in the comfort of your home.
All right, we're doing a little pop quiz for everybody at home. They didn't know they were going to get a quiz today, but they are. So what is this quiz we want to share with our viewers?
That's right. I love this because it really proves how much your smile can impact your daily life. We put this to the test. We asked a panel of people who they'd rather kiss. And what we showed them is the exact same photograph side by side, just digitally altered. So you can see literally the only difference between these two photographs is that bright white smile up against the yellow stained teeth. And of course, 100% of the men and women we asked, we have a female version as well, said, of course, they'd rather kiss the one with the white smile. You know, not only does that white smile make you look more attractive, but people found that it made them look more healthy and more young. And studies have even proven it. Whiter teeth can take years off of your appearance.
So if you don't mind, you had those swabs there in your hand. Can you kind of walk us quickly through the process?
Absolutely. I love it because they're small. There's no mess involved. It's a super easy 2-step process. And the key to Power Swabs is that it's physically lifting and removing stains first. That really is the key to a longer lasting bright white smile. You just swab step 1 out for 2 minutes in a circular motion. Let that set for 30 seconds. And then you can go right into step 2. Now we're getting our beautiful pearly whites. Another 2 minutes of swabbing in a circular motion and you're done. So easy, no mess. And, you know, it's a nice natural coconut minty type taste to it, too. So it actually tastes good as well.
All right, let's go ahead and hear from a couple of people who actually have used Power Swabs.
I've smoked, I've drank coffee, I drink red wine. It makes my teeth darker. And using Power Swabs, it's made a difference. People ask me, what do you do to whiten your teeth? And I'm really proud to tell them that I use Power Swabs.
When I use these whitening strips, I noticed when I would drink, I would get this crazy sensitivity. It would go right to my brain, and I'm like, I hate this. So why do I have to go through the monstrosity of this pain just because I want to whiten my teeth? With Power Swabs, there was 0 sensitivity.
And what are people saying? First of all, pretty remarkable testimonials, but what are people saying about how yellow teeth really ages somebody?
Well, it's just no secret. It really does. I mean, just look at the photos, you know, we've shown you, the before and afters. It really is a game changer. And your white smile can be so easy to get in a matter of 5 minutes with Power Swabs. We've all seen the trays and the strips in different stores. Believe me, I tried every product under the sun before Power Swabs. But one of the biggest game changers, as one of those testimonials Seth said, is the fact that Power Swabs is also clinically proven to cause 0 to minimal sensitivity. In step 1, it's not just physically lifting and removing stains, you know, caused by coffee, chocolate, red wine. Can't live without it, you know, but it's also rehydrating the enamel. So, you know, most teeth whitening products out there are actually pulling moisture from your teeth. That's what can leave you with lingering pain and sensitivity.
And, you know, a lot of us are so busy. Yes, we sneak in that coffee in the morning before we zip out the door for the day. So adding one more thing to my schedule really seems daunting. But is this something I can slip into my everyday schedule? Do I need to use it every day?
Absolutely. You definitely want to use it 7 days in a row to get those, you know, beautiful results. But we're talking 5 minutes out of your day, and you can use this at any point in the day. The only thing I recommend is that you don't eat or drink anything for at least 30 minutes after using Power Swabs, so you can really let that solution sink into your teeth. But unlike most teeth whitening systems, look at all the differences here. You know, Power Swabs works on caps, veneers, crowns, bondings, dentures, you name it. Normally you'd have to go to the, you know, dentist to utilize a teeth whitening product, but you can use this system in the comfort of your home. And this is actually a system that was only available at dentist office for the first 5 years. So it really is a treat that you're able to use it at home. It's going to last up to 6 months. So as easy as those pearly whites are to get, they're also long lasting. Throughout those 6 months, though, I love the Stain Out Quick Stick for little touch-ups here and there. And this is part of the special. We're going to give you a free quick stick with your order today.
Yeah, let's go ahead and run back over that special real quickly for everybody at home. You do have a wonderful special offer for our Fox 17 Morning Mix viewers.
Yeah, you can't beat it. You're going to get 40% off today, plus free shipping. That comes with the full 7-day kit. You'll also get the complimentary Stain Out Quick Stick that I love for little touch-ups here and there. So you can't beat it. You know, you're getting that bright white smell. You're getting your teeth, you know, those stains physically lifted and removed. So you don't need to give up your morning coffee or evening red wine treat.
Now you're speaking my language. Thanks so much. And again, to run through this offer, they have for Fox 17 Morning Mix viewers, if you call right now, you can take advantage of Power Swabs' amazing 40% off special with free shipping. Call 800-663-7516 or visit powerswabs.com.